guys, I'm from Racine, Wisconsin, and I want to show you guys the blizzard that we are currently in. Let's just get started, and I'm gonna show you my backyard, okay? Here's my picnic table, my door to get in, from the backyard, the grill, the snow coming down, lots and lots and lots of snow. My backyard, my kids' little play set, their pool, some of their toys that they decided not to put away, so I left them out here. They're not gonna play with them anyways. Yeah. So this is our blizzard. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.